It's Marlene of the Information Girls, and today we're going to cover a thumbnails policy and what this can mean for you. So, to the safety of our creators, viewers, and partners is our greatest priority. We look to each of you to help us to protect this unique and vibrant community. So it's important you understand our community guidelines as the role they play in our shared responsibility to keep YouTube safe. Take the time to carefully read the policy below. You can check out this page for a full list of our guidelines. So thumbnails that violate our community guidelines are not allowed on YouTube. If you see thumbnails that violate our policy, report them. Instructions for reporting violations of our community guidelines are available here. If you found a few videos or comments that you would like to report, you can report the channel. So what does this mean for you? Don't post a thumbnail on YouTube if it fits any of the descriptions below. Thumbnails that include pornographic images depicting sexual acts, nudity, or other sexually gratifying imagery, violent imagery intended to shock or disgust, graphic or disturbing imagery with blood or gore, thumbnails with vulgar or lewd language, thumbnails misleading viewers into thinking they're about to view something that's not in the video. And you have to note this is not a complete list. So what happens when thumbnails violate our policy? If your thumbnail contains pornography, we may terminate your channel. If your thumbnail violates other policies, we'll age restrict your video or remove the thumbnail or may issue you a strike against your account. If this is your first time you've posted content that violates our community guidelines, you'll get a warning with no penalty to your channel. If it's not, we'll issue you a strike against your channel. Your channel will be terminated if you get 3 strikes. You can learn about our strikes system here. And we may terminate your channel or account for repeated violations of the community guidelines or terms of service. We may also terminate your channel or account after a single case of severe abuse or when the channel is dedicated to a policy violation. You can learn more about channel or account terminations here. So as always, this information is going to be linked in the description box or in the comment section below. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And as Gio and myself say on this channel, no rumors, just the facts.
Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you